question heard most often by defense lawyers is, how do I get my charges dropped? This is a question without an easy answer. Every case is unique, and every path to having charges withdrawn is different. There is a significant difference between a client with no criminal record who got caught shoplifting and a member of a criminal organization charged with murder. That said, there are a number of different ways to have your criminal charges withdrawn quickly and without having to spend a significant amount on legal fees. Depending on what you're charged with, you can have your matter diverted into the Alternative Measures Program. This is a program for first-time offenders or offenders with a dated criminal record who have been charged with minor criminal offenses. Alternative Measures allows you to have your criminal charges resolved without the necessity of going to trial or entering a guilty plea. Once accepted into the Alternative Measures Program, you will complete certain conditions such as counseling, restitution, community service, or a letter of apology to the victim. Once you've completed the conditions, your matter is brought back into court and the charges will be withdrawn. This leaves you with no criminal record. Another way to have your charges withdrawn is to enter into a peace bond. This is an option primarily for those charged with assault or criminal harassment. A peace bond is a bond you enter into with the court. Essentially, you're making a promise to abide by certain conditions, such as no contact with the complainant, attending counseling, and not engaging in further criminal activity. There are two different types of peace bond, a Section 810 peace bond and a common law peace bond. The method of entering into these two different peace bonds are slightly different, but they are in essence the same thing and generally last for 1 year. The most important thing about a peace bond is that the day you enter into the bond, the criminal charges are withdrawn. This leaves you with no criminal record. Another common way to have charges withdrawn is for you to enter into counseling. Depending on the criminal charge, this could be for anger management, substance abuse, or domestic violence. Many times, the court would rather see you get treatment than punish you for your crime. Once you've proven that you're taking steps to better yourself, the prosecutor will withdraw the charge. Another way you can have your charges dropped is if there are significant issues with your case. Police make mistakes. Prosecutors make mistakes. My job is to go through your case and exploit these issues. Often, if problems are serious enough, the prosecutor will have no option but to drop the charges. If there's no likelihood of conviction, they must stop the prosecution. If you or someone you know has been charged with a criminal offense, call me today for a free, no obligation consultation.